Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin number 1, followed by Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Dogecoin, and then we're ending with Cardano at number 9. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. Oh my god. Bitcoin, in my opinion, is going to drop lower. Again, I still don't see the bearish reversal yet. If we were to, bounce around the support line a little bit, then yes, this would be a potential bearish reversal for BTC. But as it stands, I'm like, not too sure. I'm not too sure. This is not a high quality descending triangle or head and shoulders. No, not really yet. So yeah, again, we have to be very, very cautious. But at the same time, if you look at the monthlies, this is a shooting star. A monthly shooting star has already appeared. Doesn't mean we're going to drop just because we see a monthly shooting star, but a monthly shooting star has already appeared, right? Monthly is pretty big in my opinion. So I would preach caution. And again, just because you see a shooting star doesn't mean it can't go slightly higher. For example, way back in 2021, we got a weekly shooting star, but we formed a higher high before truly collapsing. So at the same time, this could happen as well as a monthly shooting star. We could see a little bit higher before we drop. But again, selling pressure has already arrived for BTC. If anything, we're expecting all these classes of cells over here to be swept before a potential rally. So as it stands, I would preach caution about going long unless you know what you're doing. ETH against BTC. Here we are for Ethereum. Ethereum continues to drop. Again, we keep forming lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Yeah, we keep forming lower highs. No clear sign of a bullish reversal yet. We're still anticipating these lows to be taken out, which will coincide with 0.618. We're expecting 618.702 level to be hit. So yeah, this is where we're going to right now. Again, even if a rally comes in, we still need to see a true, proper break of the highs, forming a higher high, higher low. Oh, this will mean that a potential new trend could be forming. But as it stands, we're still under the skinny pink line. We're still getting lower highs, and yeah, all the signs are still pointing for FBTC towards the downside. ETH against USD, right on the skinny pink line. Again, we're anticipating the possibility of a descending triangle. So will we get it? No. Again, we're anticipating Ethereum to drop back to this noisy area, which is around 2006, I would say. Around 2006. Right now we're at 3002, so this is still another, roughly 20% towards the downside. I don't think this is a bullish continuation, right? We could do something like this, and then we continue higher for sure. But the moment we go under the skinny pink line, I'm like, we want to be a little bit more cautious about things. Sure, we may hit here. There could be a bounce, but I suspect that this could be a move lower for Ethereum. We're still anticipating these classes of cells to be taken out eventually. So sub 1003, not sub 1000, 1003 to be hit. So we're at 3002. So this is still a long, long way down. Again, I will preach caution about rushing into Ethereum at this point of time. XRP against BTC. What's up, Brett? Brett was seen with Trump in Mar-a-Lago. Anything for XRP BTC? We're slowly crawling our way up. XRP is an outlier, right? All of the coins are looking bearish except XRP. This is the only one that's still standing strong. But the question is, how much longer will XRP remain in a bullish state versus BTC? I still suspect that maybe we might get a higher high at this point of time. Again, regardless of it, XRP BTC is still above the skinny pink line. So the trend is still bullish for XRP. And again, a little bit more upside is possible. Again, we have to clear all these classes of buys for us to consider a true bullish continuation. But if anything, I would still prefer a consolidation first before continuing any higher for XRP BTC. Against USD, XRP is still in consolidation. I think there is a potential for XRP to form a higher high, maybe. But for XRP, if we form a higher high, we still may not take out the highs over here, right? Just a higher high, come back down, reconsolidate, hit higher. That's our preferred price action for XRP, yo, bro. Relax. Reset. Okay. So Yeah, again, I still will preach caution though. This was a very nice symmetrical that came in, right? A, B, C, D, E. I would be anticipating XRP to just zip up to our target over here at $6.10. But we're going to remain realistic. If BTC starts turning bearish, very likely XRP will start turning bearish as well. So you want to be very, very, very careful about rushing into a long when the general trend is still bearish. I mean, the general trend could be switching bearish. So yeah, it's just that XRP could be in the last mile, last run before a potential reversal. Again, nothing is set in stone yet for XRP, so we're just gonna have to monitor the price action for the time being. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. BNB is, again, we're still anticipating the lower low to come in for BNB, BTC against USD. BNB is, again, slowly crawling its way up. We don't really like it, but we're still above the skinny pink line. So we're going to respect the bullish trend for BNB. So you have our target over here, just like XRP, towards the upside, 1,002 and 1,005. So yeah, we're still slowly crawling our way up. Could it be a sudden zip up? Yeah, sure, of course. But as it stands, from a trading standpoint, not much for us to work with. Sol against BTC is already clearly in a bearish trend. Sol BTC is already under the skinny pink line. When Sol was here, I was like, oh, I don't like it. We're touching the skinny pink line. Bam! Now we're under the skinny pink line. So the trend is already bearish for Solana BTC. Again, we're expecting Solana to go back to sub 0.001. We're at 0.002 at the moment. So yeah, 0.001 is the expectation that we have. So this could be a 50% decimation against BTC. Sol against USD, I think it's the same thing. You're gonna see it over here. Again, 50% from 180 will be 90. Will bring us to 90 to this noisy area. I think we're gonna drop here though, at least here. 75 though, I would say. So yeah, it'd probably be more on the USD pair. And we already touched the skinny pink line over here. But at the same time, because BTC rallied, right? So Solana continued its rally as well. But again, this is just a marginally higher high. So very likely, yeah, we could be heading lower, get a head and shoulders, bam, 75. Something like this. So yeah, we're interested for a shot. But we need to see confirmation first that things are turning bearish. So even if you were to open a shot, you'll probably come in like late February, March, right? And after that, yeah, we take a proper shot down to potentially 75 for Solana. Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Doge BTC. Doge BTC is still above the skinny pink line. Do we have hope of a continuation? Sure. But we need to see consolidation, right? Just like when Doge was here in a strong rally in October 2022, right? We did a strong rally, small retrace, rally, and then we collapse. I don't know if this is going to be the same thing. Strong rally, retrace, rally. Again, I will preach caution for Doge. Against USD, again, I'm not too confident about calling a bullish continuation. We don't see a bullish chart pattern over here. Again, this was a falling channel. Falling channels, usually if the preceding trend is bullish, subsequent bullish. Assistance, yeah, no. So I would preach caution. Yes, the trend is still bullish, so we could be consolidating over here, right above the skinny pink line, before a zip back up. But as it stands, yeah, we're not entirely sure, so we're just gonna have to move on. ADA, what's up, Charles? ADA against BTC, above the skinny pink line, which is great. Again, just a gentle reminder that ADA is in a huge accumulation. We're expecting big things for ADA. A proper breakout. This could be 2000%. Again, let's take things one step at a time. We still don't have any confirmation yet. At the same time, ADA BTC could still come back down for a proper symmetrical triangle type of a squeeze before breaking out. Previously, we had a squeeze over here, right? Symmetrical triangle before breaking out. So I'm still expecting something like this to happen, right? A, B, C. We could be coming down for a C. A, B, C. You see this? So this could be a carbon copy of what could be coming in the next few months in 2025. So again, I will preach caution. I suspect something like this could happen before we see a proper breakout for ADA BTC. I'm feeling pretty hopeful, but we want to get the timing right. ADA against USD, here we are. We're just mucking around at $1. So yeah, maybe we zip down a little bit under the skinny pink line first. Right. But at the same time, I have a strong bullish inclination for ADA to continue higher. I still think that ADA could go up to $2. Right now at 93 cents. So again, for ADA, I'm just leaning bullish for ADA. Again, we are above the skinny pink line. No clear signs of a bearish reversal yet. If anything, again, I still think that this is a consolidation, a bullish continuation towards potentially $2. Right. I kind of like what I see on ADA, but it's very important that we don't go back under the skinny pink line. If BTC collapses and pulls ADA down under the skinny pink line, that's it. But as it stands, it's still pretty good. This could be a very nice squeeze as well, right? Lower highs. Now we're waiting for the next higher low. So where is the higher low? Could we drop down to clear these clusters of cells? Yeah, sure, of course. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, I'm feeling pretty hopeful. So yeah, there you go. That's my take for ADA. Then we have to monitor the price action for the next few weeks. Hope you guys have a great week ahead of you. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.